Hi, so now I'm going to teach you guys a little bit more about strings. Say we have an string x and it is equal to the string 1, right? And then we have y is equal to the string 2. If I were to do, say I have another string and I wanted to combine x and y, and I wanted to assign that to the letter z, I could do x plus y, and then when I print z, you'll see that I'd have the numbers 12, which is perfect. Okay. Now, there's also another operation I think is pretty cool that Python has. If I were to do z star 2, I'd have 12 repeated 2 times. Okay? I think that's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool, neat function. Yeah, so also, say if I do x plus y in this print statement, I would also get the number 12. But keep in mind that this is printing a string though, it's not printing a number by any means. Okay? So if you have any, also I did actually want to teach you guys one more thing, right? So if I were to do, so say I have another string called, just go with F, some random letter, and I have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 letters, or 5 characters in this string, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? And say I wanted to get the length of that, right? So what I could do is I could do len, and then within len put the number f. I mean not the number f, put the letter f in it. Now length should be assigned the length of f. So if I print length, see, it's equal to 5. Another way to do this too is you can just do print len f. Okay, length is a really big operation that you should know. You should know how to do it front and back. You should know that function in like the back of your hand. Why? Because you're gonna run into a lot of situations where you need to get the length of a string in order to process it. I've done multiple algorithms that require, the use of the length of a string. And I can tell you right now too, if you were to go into a computer science course, you'd be using length in numerous programs. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section.